Now back to your scheduled programming.
Here's gas. If you need a top off, you're probably pretty low. Relatively low.
64 liters left.
I got 68.
This thing just sucks gas.
Yep, but that's no longer an issue.
Yep, that's true. Holy crap. Oh, and I can also fill up the trunks. Oh, dude, we got so much gas. It's
Oh, I know. It's sickening. We just bankrupt Dubai. Oh my god! What'd you do? Just full steam ahead?
I had to have some momentum, man.
I see that. I'm sitting here doing shit the hard way.
I don't know why. Oh, god damn it.
Yeah.
That's what happens.
Easy does it on the gas. Hey, I might need a winch, dude. I'm a little fucking stuck.
Alright, let me come rescue that ass.
Yeah. Please, Daddy. I'm stuck like Chuck.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh shit! Ah! My parking brake's on. Oh god, what are you doing? No!
You might want to hit that old R for race. Alright then. Just be careful not to back it off that fucking hill.
Yeah, I'll try.
Oh shit. Shitting me. Oh god. We need fucking the Hummer.
We don't need shit.
Oh my god. Alright. I don't know. Let's see.
Here we go. I'm going.
Here goes this. You helped though. I couldn't have made it here without you.
Save the day. Who you telling?
You did good. Oh shit. Alright. Shall we continue?
This guy have climbing gear?
What I like to do is just keep the parking brake on and just power down a little bit.
God, that's what you have to do sometimes.
No shit. Alright.
Tree. Oh, damn it.
Alright, let's see. extreme climbing. Oh God. Let's see.
Oh
I
no!
Dude, I can't even see you.
Okay, okay.
Ah. Fine job, no one died.
Yeah.
To the left looks pretty bad. Oh, alright, here goes Lance. How do you do that? Do you put it in two-wheel drive or something?
Uh-huh. And just floor it. You always get more speed if you run at it.
Grom style.
Why would they be?
Wow.
Coming in hot.
No shit. Alright. And...
I want to ram over these logs.
Alright, go ahead. I'll watch.
Never mind.
Where are you?
Look at my hood. I was inside the log.
God, you're way up there.
I think my hood's messed up.
Alright, where to now?
To the volcano?
Yes! Well, there's an objective. We could cross that water again.
Okay.
Clear out that cloaking. It'll be nighttime, too.
Sweet. So yeah, we're just gonna turn around and go back where we came. And hit that other objective. Yeah.
I know you're down with that shit.
Hell yeah.
There we go, baby. Get on up there. Alright, what do you think? You think we can go straight ahead?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright.
It looks pretty shallow.
Yeah. I'm gonna take the shit slow and steady. Well, I say that. Oh God. Hey, can you turn on your lights or are they on?
They're on.
Ah, okay. It just doesn't show it for me. Yeah. Steady ahead, Lance.
Okay.
Your other ahead. Uh-oh. I think I saw something. Wouldn't that be cool if you could, like, spot aliens in here?
Oh, that would be cool.
Alright, here goes nothing. Nice. I see lights up ahead.
It might be that objective.
Ah. Shitting me. Alright. Alright, let's cross this body of water.
Okay.
I don't think it's achievable.
Try it.
No, I'm good.
It's not that big.
Shitting me. It's only like 28 feet deep.
It's the damn Toyota, son.
Bet.
I was trying to tell Chris that last night. He didn't get it.
Motherfucker had no idea, did he?
I want to tell him, yeah, that 2001 piece of shit is...
He's like, yeah, but all the parts on my truck are new. I was like, good, it's gonna need it, and it still won't be fucking close.
Like, half of me was talking shit, but the other half was 100% dead serious.
Yeah. Well, he's trying to not look silly because we were both like, yeah, no, you don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Toyota. It's like, yeah, no shit, that's like the Yamaha of fucking cars.
Honestly, yeah.
Shitting me, son, that's a Toyota. Oh, shit.
Just didn't get it, man.
Here I go.
They don't do that.
There goes Lance.
Drift! Oh, that didn't work.
It drifts it drives like a rear wheel drive, even though it looks like the front wheels are the ones that spin.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
I just like engaging four-wheel drive with it floored. Hey, let's hit them rocks up. Is that what you're doing?
Alright. Following you.
Oh,
I'm just going this way. Ooh, my bad.
right here. A little bit further up. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't know. I'd take a piss. Nature walk.
Alright then. Speaking of which, we need to go camping. Like yesterday.
Yeah, we do.
I think it'd be fun to just take
Are you...
I'll take the Tacoma and you can take the 4Runner and it'll be awesome.
Are you off this weekend?
Well,
Can you be off?
Sunday.
Oh.
I could probably tell them like some bullshit ass story like my AIDS is acting up or something.
I would.
But then it wouldn't be bullshit, would it?
What they don't know don't hurt them, I guess.
Just tell them I forgot to take a penicillin shot after my last trip to New Orleans. That'll be sure to get rid of the stupid questions. Alright. Winch time.
Go, baby, go!
Trying. I don't think you simply go up this.